Today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to register the 5-year no BS warranty on your new Exodus trail camera. All you'll need to do this is the camera itself and your cell phone. All of the new cameras are going to have a QR code right on the front of the camera so you can't miss it. Registering the warranty is super important if you want to be covered for 5 years. Get the camera open on your phone. If you're using an iPhone, make sure you have the live mode turned off. And if you're using an Android, make sure you don't have that phone in battery power saver mode, or you won't be able to scan the QR code. So all you have to do is hold the phone over top of the camera and a link will pop up. Click on the link and this is going to take you to the landing page to register the warranty for the Exodus trail camera. Once the page loads up, all you'll have to do is follow the steps on the page. Enter your email, your name, phone number, the serial number of the camera, which is on the inside of the housing of the camera. Flip the camera open and there's a bar that will have your serial number on it, the camera model, place of purchase, and date of purchase. That's all you'll need, and you'll be ready to go and covered for 5 years with your new Exodus trail camera.